Hey, what's going on, guys? This is KNasty390 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we finally, I've been searching this for weeks, or whenever it came out, the beginning of March, so yeah, weeks. Topps Heritage Blaster Box. I wanted the Blaster Box. I did not want the full Hobby Box because the Hobby Box is like $140 and there's only one hit and it's usually a relic, not even an autograph in it. But there are some nice parallels you can get out of this, some inserts that are cool. So I definitely wanted to give it a try. So we're going to get some Heritage. Now the key to Heritage, like I just mentioned, are like parallels and stuff like that. And I'll show you how you guys can find them as we open this up. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button. If you are enjoying the pack opening, drop a like on the video. It is greatly appreciated. And I want to know in the comments if you have opened up any Heritage from this year. What is your best pull? Like what type of parallel or insert, or did you get a hit like an autograph or a relic? So let's take a look at this stuff, boys. Take a look at the packs. They have that old school look. This bottom one seems thicker. Maybe it's a hit. Let's find out. If you guys haven't seen these cards before, you're about to see them. They are kind of like an older look to them. Take a look at that. So we start off with Greg Holland, Austin Hedges, David Price, Carlos Asuaje, Alcides Escobar. We got 2018 Rookie Stars. Ooh, that's a rookie. Andujar and Frazier. That's a good one. We got Miguel Sano, Mark Reynolds, and Mike Clevenger. Now, I think this one might be. So, the key to these is that you have to check the number on the back. So, let me see here. I think this number ends in a 66. I'm not sure if my camera will get it right. There's a number right there. And you have to double check those and make sure that if there's something different, that's an insert. I think that Clevenger is not, but there could be some as simple as like the coloring is different in that, or there are action variants. So all these, as you can tell, are just pictures of them just like posing for a picture, while most cards are of a guy like in play, like playing baseball. But these are like in spring training, they're taking a picture. So if you get an action variant, those ones can be kind of rare. What is this? That is an Aaron Judge. Not sure what that is. We start off with the 2017 strikeout leader insert. Scherzer, DeGrom, Robbie Ray. We got a Kendrys Morales, Adam Jones, Carlos Martinez. Carew crushes it. Baseball flashback. Not numbered. I don't know how rare that is, but that is definitely interesting. Devin Travis, Lance McCullers, a 2017 RBI leader, Stanton, Arenado, Ozuna. Two of them aren't on their teams anymore. And then the Topps News, Carlos Correa. Why is that? That's a Judge. That's 99. Oh, I know what the action with these. You're supposed to collect all of them, and if you put them backwards, it actually makes like a puzzle. So that's an insert there. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do this all in the video, but I will go on check the back of these cards and see what inserts I got, because I know I'm going to get a couple inserts. You just don't know which ones they are. That's the beauty of Heritage. Actually, it's kind of cool because you can open up packs and not realize you pulled fire. You go back and look at it. So if you guys have open Heritage, check the back of it, check the numbers on the back, and see if they match the other ones. If not, you got yourself an insert or a parallel or something. Ooh, there's some yellow in that. Ellsbury for the Yanks, Stephen Vogt for the Brewers, Zunino, Barrowclaw, Bryce Harper. So this is the yellow blank bag. I don't know how rare that is. I will have to look it up. Like I said, they don't say how rare it is. You can look it up and they can say it's like 1 in a 500 packs, 1 in 10 packs. I don't know. The fact that it's a Harper though is nice. So I don't know. I'll look into that. Set that off to the side. 2018 rookie Sandy Alcantara, who is now on the Marlins. He was part of the Ozuna trade, and Mejia. So we got a rookie there. We got an Aaron Judge, Jonathan Scope, and a Mike Matuk. So done with that pack. Like I said, I don't know about that Harper. We'll see. That could be something very common, or it could be something really rare. I wish it was numbered, like it would number like 1 out of 100 or 1 out of 50, you know. Jake Lamb, Marcus Stroman, Sonny Gray, Goldie, King Felix, Chance Anderson, excuse me, Jody Mercer, Maikel Franco, and a rookie stars J.P. Crawford, Arnaldo, and Yaxel Rios. Got some Philly rookies. Now, this one threw me. I don't know the coloring on that. I don't know. It seems a little different, but like I said, I'll look later in regards to if that's an insert. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't love this stuff. It's just fun to do. But I would rather get something where you get more hits, like more autographs, more relic cards. You can get it in Heritage. It's just super rare. Eric Sogard, we got the goggles. Crush Davis, Ian Kennedy, Marcelo Zuna, so he's on the Cardinals. Ew, we got a mini Chris Sale. Numbered to 100. Okay. Right there. It's kind of hard to see with the pink or the peach background, but it's number 72 of 100. Chris Sale mini. I'll take that. I'm a Red Sox fan. I'll gladly take that. We got rookie stars, McGrath and Villanueva. Matt Olson. Rookie stars, Urena, Rowley, and Ramirez. And Wilmer Defoe. So that wasn't a bad pack. Actually, this stuff hasn't been too they're retail packs. But this stuff's hard to find. And like everyone I've talked to, they say, don't buy the hobby box, just buy this. You'll get better bang for your buck. And it seems like that's the case. Tanaka, Barreto, Delano DeShields. We got a rookie card. Who is that? Is that Victor Robles? It is. Number 25 of 30 photos. I don't believe that's not an autograph. I think that is just like a pitch. Like the guy didn't sign this card. It's just like a picture of his autograph. I know these ones are relatively common. It is a rookie. I don't think that means 25 of 30. I don't know. I'll have to look into that, but that's Heritage for you. That's basically the best way to describe it. That's Heritage. We got Jared Eichhoff, Russell Martin, Samardzija, Justin Turner, and Jacob Faria. 2 packs left. I want to get an action photo. That would be cool. Actually, I would love an autograph. That's what I would love. But let's just be real. That's not happening. Brandon Nimmo. Michael Brantley. Rookie stars, Mayhew and Stevens. We got a Victor Martinez. 2017 ERA leaders, Kluber, Sale, Severino. Kyle Seager. Randall Grichuk. Gary Sanchez, and Corey Kluber. All right, last pack of the video, boys. Let's see what we get. Joey Votto, Matt Chapman, Jacob deGrom, Tim Anderson, Carlos Santana, Greg Bird, Elvis Andrus, batting leaders of Blackmon, Murphy, and Justin Turner, and a Josh Hader. So, that's it, boys, for the video. The packs weren't bad. Like I said, it's Heritage. I'll go through this stack of just like what I consider base. I guarantee there's a couple in here that have different numbers on the back, and then I'll see what they are and see what, like I said, check, like sometimes like the coloring on this will be different, where like the yellow on Hader normally would be like blue, or like the name is, or like the team name is a different color on. So it's so weird. It's Heritage. That's what like this green right here, that could be inaccurate. I don't know. I'll look through it myself, and I'll go back in a future video. I'll tell you guys if I got anything fire. But I'll talk to you later, boys. Take it easy. Peace.